Alafia, I am Tosinga and I bring you daily Yoruba proverbs, sayings, and expressions. Àgbà kì í wà lọ́jà, kórí ọmọ tuntun wọ́. Àgbà kì í wà lọ́jà, kórí ọmọ tuntun wọ́. Literal English meaning, àgbà is an elder. Kì í wà lọ́jà, ọjà is market. Àgbà kì í wà lọ́jà, an elder cannot be in the market. Kí orí ọmọ tuntun wọ́, orí is head, ọmọ is child, titun is new. Put that all together. Orí ọmọ tuntun, the head of a new baby. Kó wọ́ means to sleep or to bend. So, put everything together from the beginning. An elder cannot be in the market, and the head of the new baby is sloppy or one sided or falling. Implied meaning, things should not go wrong where there's elders in the community sharing their wisdom. Misbehavior of the youth is indirectly or directly in connection to how the elders have been effective or ineffective in that community. Long and short, the wisdom of the elders guides the youth or the children of a community. When things go wrong, question the elders. Are they doing what they are supposed to do? Are they leading right? Are they guiding right? Ireo.